Hello friends, welcome back to the any video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we pair guys Bluetooth headphone with our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to pair guys your Bluetooth headphone with your phone. So friend, how can you pair guys? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So friends, now let's see how can we pair guys Bluetooth headphone and friend, how can we use phone Bluetooth setting. First of all guys, turn on your headphones guys. I have on guys already. So I'll turn on guys your headphones. After on guys, you will have to on guys your phone Bluetooth setting. So how can we on guys Bluetooth setting in Infinix phone? So we will click on guys the search bar guys. We will tap here guys. We will search here guys blue guys. You can see guys your Bluetooth guys. We will tap here. Friends, click on guys more Bluetooth setting guys. Tap here. So friends, you can use your phone Bluetooth setting guys. You can on and you can off from here. So we will on it. After on guys, we will refresh it. After refresh guys, you can see guys your available device name. So available device name guys, you can see guys this pre-tone company headphone guys we have, and guys I want to pair, so I will tap here. Hence you can see guys this pair up with pre-tone company. Hence you can see allow access to your contact and call history guys. Tap here and pair option. So once you can see guys headphone will pair, and guys you want to check guys your phone headphone battery, you can check from here. 90% battery guys I have in my headphone. So guys after pair guys, you can use guys this headphone while operating any app, and guys listening any song guys you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you've understood how to pair Bluetooth headphone with our phone. So bye guys.